Happy New Year 2021, guys. Okay, welcome to this new channel called Ed Channel. My name is Edwin. Right, this channel we talk about tech products, unboxing, fashion style and trends, accessorizing, as well as home style and home improvement. Right, if you see part of these videos, if you like the video, remember to smash the like button and subscribe and click the notification button. So today's video we're going to talk about how to solve the aircon leaking problem. Right, are you interested to save more money? Okay, let's go. Okay, so what are the equipments that we have to use to solve a aircon leaking problem? Okay, firstly we need a screwdriver, right? A pail, okay, as well as a wet and dry vacuum. Okay, of course you need a ladder, right? So let's see how to dismantle the aircon. Okay, let's go. Okay, so let's dismantle. Okay, there's two clips here, one and on the right and the left. Open this clip here, take out this clip, use a screwdriver, unscrew it, and do the same for the left side. Take out the clip here, unscrew it. Okay, right, so let's put the screws out. Okay. So what you need to do right now is dismantle this casing, right? You pull this out. Remember, there's a back, there's a catch. Remember not to crack the back. Okay, stop. Okay, let's take out the whole back casing. Okay, lift up, bring it down. Okay, the left side here, there's a rubber cord here. Okay, maybe zoom in here. See, there's this piece of here. Look at that. Yeah. So when you take this rubber plug out, just in case there's a water, see, there's water dripping. Okay. Look at that. Look at all the water. Right? So this is the first thing you need to do. Alright, look at how much water it has. Okay. Okay. Alright, the next thing we need to do is unclip here. There's a catch here. Okay, lift up. Unplug the two electronic clips here. The blue one and the white one. Okay, zoom in this one, these clips. Alright, you can see this clip, take it out, take out the clips. Alright, and this can be put by the side. Alright, so the next thing you need to do is hold this tool here. Hold from here, the left and the right. Pull this out. Okay, pull this out. Okay. Alright, see the whole equipment will be taken out. Right? Okay, stop. Okay, so once you take this out, again you can lift this down. Okay, there's a hose here. There's a clip here. Press this clip here in the middle. Use your thumb to press. It's quite tight. Okay. See, it's finally taken out. Right. So look at the gel. You can see all the gel here. That's the one that is doing, clogging all the water. Right. This will affect the clogging. That's why once this gel is all here, the aircon drips here, and then it cannot flow. You start to overflow and start to drip down. Alright. Okay. Okay, next thing you need to do, use this wet and dry vacuum, alright? Switch it on. Hold this plug here, the plug here. Look at all the debris that's flowing through this pipe. You can feel it. Right? A lot of debris is inside the pipe, aircon pipe.
do this for at least 5 minutes. Let it hold it there for 5 minutes. Okay? Alright.
Okay, let's look at this vacuum. So let's see what the content inside has. Look at that. Look at all the dirt, the debris, right? Right. Okay, after this, we clear the dirty water from the vacuum. Then after that, we use this same vacuum to vacuum the dust from the blower. Alright, okay, let's go. Okay, so now let's do the blow, right? Let's switch it on. So we're gonna clear the blower, right? The blower, the vacuum. Okay, vacuum clean, and then we'll move to the next stage. Okay. Okay, so next thing, wipe clean this. Alright, the bottom. Alright. The back, make sure some of the gel that sticks behind, clear it. Okay. Make sure this item also we clean it properly with water. Alright. Alright guys, now after all the cleaning, let's assemble it back. Okay? Okay, come, let's zoom into here. Alright? This piece here goes back to this hose, right? 12 o'clock. There's an alignment here. Okay? So look at this. This is 12 o'clock, right? So push it back here. Clip. Alright, let's go. After that, turn this way back. Right? There's an angle. Push this way in. Okay. Okay, done. Alright. Push this thing back here. Clip here back. Okay. Put the wire back here. Clip back the electronics. Okay. Alright. Alright. Clip it back. Okay, alright. So we fix this back, right? Right. Remember, there's this plug here. Don't forget to put it back here. Right. Okay. Now let's put back the casing on the top. Right. Putting back the casing, let's put back the screws. Right. Easy. Alright. Put back the casing here. Right. The other screw. Okay, put back the casing. Okay, we have a little bit of white here. It's clean. Okay, in case if your filter is dirty, you can clean it. If not, right, that should be no problem. If it's clean, don't need to do anything. Right. Okay, everything is done. Right. So I hope you guys like the video. Remember, smash the like button and subscribe, and click the notification button for more of my future video uploads. See you guys.